Good day, fellow modelers. Mr. Handy back with another handy review from you, or for you, on this wonderful weekend in August. Today we're going to take a look at Fly Models Avrocar Racer X in 70-second scale. So, yeah. This is an interesting little kit. Kit number 72026. This is part of their line. I don't know what they call. I guess it would be the Avrocar Racer X line. As you can see, you have the different Avrocar racers. And it's funny because actually, when you take a look at it, these are all Czechoslovakian or yeah, I would say Czech. I think they're all Czech, they're all in Europe, but I think they're all Czech model companies. So you've got artillery models. I've never actually heard of them. RS model, of course, we've done a couple of reviews of those. Jet Zodiac, never heard of them. Fly, of course, this. We did a review on something else by Fly, I believe. Doozy Model 4 Plus, of course, did wonderful books and decals. Boa Agency, never heard of them. And then we've got CMA, CMR, that's CMR. Yeah, it's all in this racer thing. We'll just get right into it. I mean, there's your box. There's the color call out. You've got a color call for Humbrol, and it looks like Agama. I've never heard of that company, but let's take a peek. Of course, coming from those wonderful model companies out in that area of the world, we have these awesome bags. The reopenable or resealable bag, which is awesome. Not a lot to this kit, as you can see. I got this one because it was the cheapest that they had. I've always liked the Avrocar. As I am a Canadian, take a little bit of pride in that Avrocar, built by Avro for the U.S. Army as a reconnaissance type or small light attack vehicle when they had it. So, as we can see, here's our instructions. No history whatsoever. Just basically showing us all the different parts. You do get quite a bit of resin in here. So, and apparently you can do a 1-seat or a 2-seat version, which is interesting. And as I said, here you've got your some of your resin parts. Here's all your resin bits right here. So, resin cockpit, as you can see, and then again more resin bits here and there. So. There's the rest of your built chassis or body or whatever you want to call it. And then, of course, we've got the canopies. So, and then there's your, what the Avrocar was. So, I wish they'd, kind of brought the... put down what exactly all these numbers are, but there are quite a few references out there. Bill Zook did a book on the Avrocar here just a little while ago, something with regards to Canada's UFO or something like that. Anyways, let's take a look at the kit. This is basically your kit. That's what you get. So there's your wheels. There's your actual gear. There's the big giant fan for the middle. And then there was these little louvers on the outside. As you can see, it's sealed up. Air would come in through there and then come up through the fan. So there's your piece, I'm assuming, to go over the one driver section if you're making a single seat. There's your two canopies, nice and clear and crisp. We'll pop it out and take a peek. I mean, you know, there you go. They look not too bad, you know, so a little bit of crazy in it, but, you know, what do you expect, right? So, and then we have our resin bits. So, take a peek at what we got in here. So, there is your two seats. As always, the resin stuff is nice. Here we've got some louvers again. That's where your louvers will go. This is, I'm not too sure, but I'm thinking those are probably resin wheels to replace the plastic ones, but I'm not too terribly sure. And then of course you've got your cockpits. So that's about it. And then, yeah, I forgot, we got our racer decals, you know, with check model resin and fly and all the others. So I picked this one up because originally when it came out, they had the Canadian version, the American version, and I think it was a West German version of this. And basically it was what it was supposed to be with regards to what it was built for, just like a little recon type thing. It was also carried a recoilless rifle, and that was why you had the extra crew member in it, apparently. The recoilless rifle was attached to the one side, and they would use that for shooting off. So again, it's rather interesting. It's a cool little machine. Plans for this again is going to be some type of a what if. I'm thinking I'm gonna look at trying to put some type of a cannon or something mounted on there somewhere. So, but yeah, 1/72 scale Avrocar by Fly Models. Like I said, they do multiple versions of this kit. This one, like I said, just comes as the Racer X with all the different racing things. But there are different boxings of this, so take a look around. This one ran about, I'm thinking it was about, when I got it, it was about €7, so 14 bucks or something like that. So, or 12, something like that. So, interesting little thing if you're interested in that. Again, like I said, Bill Zook did a reference, I believe it's called, like I said, it's Avro's UFO or Canada's UFO or something like that. So it goes into some detail on why it was built and stuff like that. So again, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Suggestions are always helpful. If you're looking for something that's in 72nd scale or a book that you're wanting reviewed, please let me know and I will get on that. Again, that's it for this. Have a wonderful day and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy modeling!